Welcome, sir, to our live podcast booth. It's a pleasure to have you here.
Yes, nice having you chat with you all as well.
Just to jump off to the conversation, if you could give a quick intro about you and what you do.
Yeah, I'm Trevor Soris and I work as head of data in Dialog Axiata PLC. So I've been in this role and this industry for around 15 plus years.
So, AI and data is something that is really, really important as we
Yeah.
speak. What are the few, like, one of the key misconceptions that you have come across in the experience in the industry?
Yeah, mostly people think AI is going to replace their jobs. So that is the most scared thing people have about. But I personally feel it's not the thing. Like AI is going to improve your efficiency rather than it's replacing. It'll enhance your efficiency and your process improvement, and where your work, your contribution will be more rather than it's getting replaced.
Well, I think you use systems, AI tools a lot during your time at work and
Yeah.
also off work as well. How do you see the people and culture who's trying to adapt to these tools and systems at Dialog? Maybe you can give how does that happen?
Yeah, as I said previously, so people should trust that AI is going to improve their efficiency. It is going to improve their process. It's going to reduce their repetitive tasks. So it's going to create value. First, they need to adapt to that. You need to believe in that. So in believing that, I think it will automatically transfer them to train in them, uh, using them in their day-to-day activities. Like that, I think people will move into from starting from a starter kits to moving to higher technical stuff by adapting them to their day-to-day activity. I think that is the way they can use it. So in Dialog, we have built our own Dialog GPT, so which is tailor-made for the employees to do their day-to-day activities. Not that we trust the public GPTs, but we are concerned about privacy and things like that. So we have laid that platform, and we see almost like 80% of our employees using the Dialog chip.
Wow, that's amazing. So as you mentioned, like data, and these are like important aspects in the industry.
Yeah.
What would you expect to change soon in the next 5 years, maybe? And what are you most excited about in this data and AI space?
Yeah, data, as you come, I think all these years the software systems have produced data. So those valuable data now comes into AI. So the time to market value, right? When you launch a product, the time to market is going to get reduced. The time to get develop things, it's going to get reduced. So basically, customers will get the what they want in a very quick time. So that is why I'm going to say the rapid development of products, rapid development of products to the live. So that is what I'm expecting to see.
Finally, summits like this and conferences like
Yeah.
this, how important are these to the society and the community and the country as well?
It's really important. So I was expecting it fulfilled my expectation. I would say I learned from the industries how the country is heading to, how the country's insights. I think we had a session with Deputy Minister of Digital Economy and Chief Advisor to President Dr. Hans. So their vision, how other companies, what they are looking at. We saw young entrepreneurs, they are doing their product. So it gives an overall view, and also it's another enhancement to our existing knowledge base. So I think these are really important ones, and I think we should have regular ones rather than having it 28 times and budgets for it.
Thank you so much for joining the podcast episode. Thank you.